Hello, boys and girls. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and winter break. I hope that you had some good time off to play and spend time with your family. We are going to start new writing. So far this year, we have worked on narrative writing and informational writing. And now we're going to move on to something called opinion writing. Everybody say opinion writing. Very good job. And it is Tuesday, January the 5th. So we're going to start off by talking about what is an opinion. An opinion is what you think or how you feel about something. So you might think that the best color in the world is pink, and that is going to be your opinion because not everybody might think that. I might think that the best color in the world is blue, and so my opinion would be that the best color is blue, and your opinion might be that the best color is pink. So it's not always going to be the same as what others think, and that is okay. It's a good thing to have your own opinion. So, how can we write about our opinion? We can, one, tell our opinion. So, if we were writing in our 4 boxes like we do all the time, our first box is going to tell our opinion. So, if I'm talking about what would be the best pet, I might say, our title here, all about the best pet, and then in our first box, I think the best pet is a dog. So in our first box, the first step, you would tell what your opinion is, and you might not think it's a dog. You might say, I think the best pet is a fish, or I think the best pet is a cat. Then in your second box, you're going to start giving some reasoning why you think that dogs are the best. So you might say, I think dogs are the best because dogs are good company for when you are lonely. Then in your last box, you're going to give another reason that dogs might be the best pet or whatever you pick would be the best pet. So I said dogs can, dogs can help people if they are sick. So that's another reason why I think a dog would be the best pet. Then I'm going to say my ending. This is all about why I think a dog would be the best pet. I'm going to restate that opinion and close it all up. So in review, we've got our 4 boxes. We have our title, a reason, another reason, or excuse me, our opinion, a reason, another reason, and then closing. As we're writing opinion writings, our sentence starters are going to be things like I prefer. You might say, I prefer chocolate milk over white milk. Or I think a dog is the best pet. Or I feel like dogs are the best. I know that pink is the best color. I believe that pizza is the best food. Or, in my opinion, dogs are the best pet. So, those are some things you can start off your sentences with when you are writing in your 4 boxes. So, on the very back of your writing folders, this is what you need to do. So, before I explain it, I want you to pause the video and go find your writing folder. On the front, it should say My Writing Folder, and then you have your heart map that says narrative, and then you have your informational bubble map on the other side. So I want you to pause and go find that writing folder right now. Come back when you have that. Okay, now that you have your writing folder, I want you to keep it closed and flip it over so that you're looking at the back of the folder. On the back of that folder, I want you to write opinion across the very top. This is how you spell the word opinion. After you write that word across the top, you are going to create your 4 boxes, and then you're going to write some sentence starters in those 4 boxes. So when you're writing your journals, you can pull this out and know that in your first box, you need to use one of these. In your second box, one of these, third and fourth. So you can pause this video or leave this screen up and complete your writing folder. Now tomorrow, you guys will have your iStation benchmark. So on Wednesday, we're going to review, or excuse me, Thursday, we are going to review opinion writing and create our first writing piece. So thank you for joining me today. Rewatch this if you get confused or forget what opinion writing is all about.